Light, dreamy, cheesy, in a gosh darn good way. Hello friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. We're making cheese muffins today. You want to assemble your dry ingredients in a bowl. Then you want to mix your wet ingredients together in a measuring cup, beating until the egg is completely mixed in. Add the wet to dry and mix until just together. Do not overmix these muffins or they won't rise. Add 3/4 cup of your cheese and stir it into the batter. Then divide the batter equally into a 6-cup muffin tin that has been sprayed with Pam. Using the remaining 1/4 cup of cheese, top each muffin with grated cheese, ensuring the cheese does not fall off the tops of those muffins. Bake for 18 minutes in a 400-degree oven, and then enjoy. These cheese muffins are sinfully delicious. Like and follow Sassy Kate and Ren for more delicious recipes.